Reggae Just Extra with Ras Dennis.
Do you still remember this song, Jah Rastafari? What about If You Don't Love Jah? And No More Fighting. Certainly you won't forget this one, Uptown Top Ranking. These were songs recorded by the dynamic teenage female duo, Althea Rose Forrest and Donna Marie Reid in the 70s. Unknown to many, Uptown Top Ranking was originally done by reggae DJ and producer Wade Brammer, better known as Trinity. The singer who passed away in 2021 was the architect of the song. In three-piece suit, Trinity toasted over a new version of Alton Ellis's I'm Still in Love with You rhythm, with a lyric that anticipated the move from cultural lyrics to more material/carnal concerns of the dancehall era. This is the story of Althea and Donna with Ras Dennis. Althea and Donna's musical journey started when they were discovered by the late singer Jacob Miller, who took them in his Mercedes-Benz to Joe Gibbs' studio in Crossroads to record Uptown Top Ranking. At the time, they were 17 and 18 years old, respectively. The ladies achieved international success in 1977 with their hit Uptown Top Ranking, which topped the charts in the United Kingdom in 1978. Produced by the legendary Joe Gibbs, Uptown Top Ranking was a response to Trinity's 1977 hit Three-Piece Suit. The song not only dominated the charts in Jamaica, but also became a surprise #1 hit in the UK, marking a significant achievement for the duo. The surprise was compounded by the act often being billed as Althea and Donna, and the song sometimes given as Uptown Top Ranking. The track was written by the duo and Errol Thompson. Althea and Donna became the youngest female duo to have a UK #1. The song's success led to Althea and Donna becoming the first Jamaican female duo to be signed to a major record label. Following the success of the single, they teamed with the Revolutionaries Band and released an album of the same name in 1978 on the Virgin/Frontline label. The project featured tracks like No More Fighting, Jah Rastafari, Make a Truce, Oh Dread, The West, Jah Music, If You Don't Love Jah, Sorry, and They Wanna Just. In those days, respectable middle-class Jamaican girls did not have anything to do with reggae, so one of them got expelled from her high school. Uptown Top Ranking continued to have a lasting global impact, with the song being covered at least 10 times by various artists around the world. The duo's influence extended to other genres and regions, with covers and interpolations in songs by artists like Estelle, Scout Niblet, and 8 others. Despite the song's enduring popularity, it's not entirely clear whether Althea and Donna received royalties for the cover versions and sampling of their song. The ladies even went on tour with Donna's father, who accompanied them as they were underage at the time. The duo's rise to fame included appearances on the popular TV show Top of the Pops in the UK and serving as the opening act at the One Love concert in Jamaica in April 1978. After their successful career in the late 70s and early 80s, Caroline Records reissued the full-length Uptown Top Ranking in 2001. The duo continued to perform at various events. Their last major performance in Jamaica was at Rebel Salute in 2018. Nonetheless, the rocksteady hit continued to gain momentum. In 2020, the song was certified silver by the British Phonographic Industry, BPI, after achieving sales of more than 200,000 digital copies in the UK. Althea, now residing in New York, is originally from Hughendon in St. Andrew, while Donna, living in Florida, is originally from Hope Road. Both have ties to prestigious Jamaican schools, with Althea being a Queen's School alumna and Donna being a St. Andrew High School for Girls past student. Their legacy lives on through their iconic hit Uptown Top Ranking, a timeless classic in the reggae genre. And to Trinity, he succumbed to complications surrounding a diabetic condition at the National Chest Hospital in St. Andrew, Jamaica on April 9, 2021, after he had been hospitalized for over a week. He was 67. Thanks for watching, and do remember to subscribe, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you again very soon for another video.
Many thanks for watching Reggae Just Extra with Ras Dennis.